Hello everyone. Today we are discussing about final keyword. Why final? Final is a keyword in Java which is used for defining a constants. What does constant means? Constant means constant cannot be changed. And final we can apply to class, then variable and methods. If class is final, it cannot be extended, or you can say you cannot make that class as a super class of any class. If method is final, you cannot override it. If variable is final, you cannot assign new value to it. Now, one by one we will discuss everything. Firstly, we will go for variable. In Java, we can have two types of variable, as you all know might be. That is global and local. You can apply final this to both type of variables. If variable is final, then you cannot assign new value through a method to it. This is what the example which I am showing here. I have class A, where I have one variable A as a final and one of the variable which is non-final. And you can see there, I am trying to change both variables and you are seeing error there. Where in variable A, because it's final, you cannot assign new value. But whereas in B, you can see there is no error. One more thing you should be remembering, we must initialize final variables. If you don't, it will give compile time error. And if you still don't want to initialize, then you have one of the option that you can initialize final variable through constructors. You can see in this example, I have mentioned one of the variable having value 67. It is final variable. And another thing you can see that one of the x variable without value, which gives a compile time error. I am bringing such many videos for you all. All these are technical with business use cases, where to use these keywords and all. But to motivate me and to keep a motivated environment, I request you all to subscribe my channel, where you will be getting notification as and when I upload any new videos. You can join my classroom training as well, which is in the Pune, India, javaicon.com. You can enroll for online courses also. We take online across the world. These online classes are through webinars. And you can join my classroom training, and you need to inquire on this number 888 5 times 8 09416. We are coming back to again local. So you can see local variables also can be a final. When you are parameterizing any variable, that also can be a final. You can see here one method M1, where there is an X parameter which I made final, which is possible. But if you are trying to change that, again it will give an error. What do you expect here? Incoming value should not be changed by any. Now, one more example I want to show in variable. You can see here one of the variable that is double x, but it's reference variable of one of the class. So I wrote here x double x equal to new x, where x is not final, but double x is a final. You cannot assign new address to it. You will see error there. One more thing, now we will go with the method. If method is final, you cannot override it. See, beginners may say like, if method is final, then we can go inside that method and we can change it. But in reality in Java, as per fundamentals of Java, you cannot change things which are already working. So you should be extending a class and overriding a method, which is not possible if you make method as a final. Interviewer may ask you like, which method you know which is final. So you can say string class is final, so all methods of that class becomes automatically final, because you cannot extend that class, and for overriding you need to extend a class. One more thing in method. Now, if class is final, automatically all methods becomes final. Why we are saying that? Because you cannot extend a class. I am showing this example where two methods are there, one final and another is not final. I am trying to change final method M1, which gives an error, but if I am trying to override method M2, then I'm able to override it. Lastly, we'll go for final class. If class is final, you cannot extend it, means you cannot change it. Again, as per principles of Java, Java classes are never open for modifications. That means whenever if any class is running for a long time, you cannot go and change that, because there are efforts to test that class if you are changing already existing stable class. So what people do, people extend that class and bring some new properties in subclass so that that existing class will get modified. But if you don't want to do that, make class as a final. Here I am showing you an example where I wrote class A as a final and I am trying to extend it, and you are seeing their error, which is not possible. Lastly, I want to cover in all of this series, every video will be having interview questions. So one of the interview questions people may ask you, do you know any inbuilt class in Java which is final? Yes, you should say, yes, wrapper classes are there. Wrapper classes means integer, float, like that classes they made. For every primitive there is a wrapper class. All wrapper classes are final. String is a final class. System is a final class which you cannot extend and you cannot change features of that class. Another question they may ask, can we have subclass as a final? Answer is yes. Don't get confused. If class is final, you cannot extend, but subclass can be final. That's not a problem. Can we create object of final class? Answer should be yes. We never said in this video, we never discussed that final class cannot be instantiated. Only it cannot be extended. Another question may be, it may be asked like final method can be called? Answer is again yes. So these are the interview questions which usually you face in interview, and we need to answer them properly. To know more about these interview questions, you can always visit my website, that is jbktutorials.com, where we have listed many tutorials. You can contribute also in that tutorials. You can contribute to your own articles over there. For classroom training, you can obviously come to my class. You can call this number to inquire us. And at last, I would say you can subscribe my channel. And thank you for huge support you guys are giving us. Thank you. Thank you. Have a good day.